Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my double Dutch braid. This is a super fun and cute braid to do. It can be done with or without extensions. I do have the habit hand tied extensions in. So if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, please keep watching. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, but I do have a little bit of texture spray in my hair. And I'm just going to brush it all out with a wet brush. Next, I'm going to part my hair in the middle and secure one side so it's out of the way. I'm going to take a super small section from the top and separate it into a 3-strand braid and just start braiding. And as I go down the braid, I'm just going to add more hair into it. As you can see, if you do have extensions, it is super easy to hide them as long as you're taking very thin strands at the very top and then adding the sides slowly in as you braid down. Once I have the braid completed halfway, I'm just going to take pieces out to make my braid super big and fluffy. Then I'm just going to keep braiding down and poofing my braids out as I go. I like my braids to be super fluffy and big, but this is totally up to your preference whether or not you want to do this. Now that one side is done, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my super quick and easy double Dutch braid tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!